Hey guys, hey Bravo. I feel honored to be back sharing more candy treats, but also it's not helping my holiday figure because you have to sample and you have to make sure it tastes good and all of that. But I'm excited. We found a really cute holiday candy that you can showcase your Tupperware with, and that's really the whole purpose of making candies or doing a demonstration or a recipe that you love is to showcase your product, right? Because that's what's going to get you the sale. That's what's going to make people want it, is using that recipe to showcase the product. So we're going to make a fun little candy called a Santa hat. Okay, and you probably maybe have seen it on Pinterest or on Facebook somewhere. But all you need are some strawberries, and I'm going to make myself bigger so I can see. Okay, so all you're going to need is some strawberries, and what you're going to do is you're going to just cut. Obviously we have our strawberries stored in a fridge smart, right? So you can talk about your fridge smarts and talk how your strawberries can last 2 weeks or longer in our fridge smart versus the container full of holes, right? And then you're going to take our universal series knives and you're just going to cut off the end, the little green leaves, the little fronds on your strawberry, but you don't want to hull it. You want to keep it flat. So it's going to end up looking like this, okay? So we cut off the little stems. We're going to make it nice and flat, just like that. And you really want to get the strawberries that have that point to it. Some strawberries, like this one, they're like Mondo strawberries. I don't know, mega strawberries. And they kind of have, I mean, it'll still work. It'll still look cute, but really the point is really going to give it that Santa hat look. So you can kind of see where we're going with this, right? So get the ones that have a little point. And of course, strawberries are not in season, but they're still out there in the grocery stores. So kind of do your due diligence and find good strawberries. And then you're just going to take your micro pitcher. And I love our micro pitcher and our vent and serve. So you can, same thing, our Tupperware stack cooker, same material, same quality, stain resistant, 100% high power. You can melt chocolate, you can melt butter, you can do your gravies, all those high fat, high sugar things that would normally ruin a standard piece of plastic. This is nice and durable, and it has measurements on it, standard and metric. And you can melt your chocolates in here. And I like that it's deep because when you're dipping things like cake pops and things like that, when Cindy does her cake pop demo, it's nice to have a deep container so that it can dip down, completely submerge it and come back out. So I like using the 2 cup for dipping things. You can use the 1 cup for melting small pats of butter and things like that. But the 2 cups great for melting and dipping. And then you're just gonna need some, so you have your white chocolate nice and melted, 30 seconds at a time, stir 30 seconds at a time, and some mini marshmallows, and just the traditional little mini ones. And then you're gonna take your strawberry and you're gonna take that flat side that we had cut, and you're just gonna dip it right down, and you wanna go down just enough to kind of create kind of like that fuzzy part on Santa's cap, right? And I kind of scrape off the bottom a little bit. And then to really make it look extra fluffy, if you want, you don't have to, or if you're allergic, you have some other options. You could do some white sprinkles or white nonpareils, or you could do some coconut. So I have some coconut in my little Batman snack cup, appropriate, right? And then we're gonna swirl it around in that coconut. And now we have a fuzzy Santa hat. Cute, right? And then we're going to stick it on our silicone Wonder Mat with rim. Look how cute they are. And then we're going to take a marshmallow, or mini marshmallow, and we're going to dip one end of the mini marshmallow into the white chocolate. Oops, I dropped the whole thing. See, if I could do this, you guys could do this. All right, take your little mini marshmallow, dip it into the chocolate. just the one end, right? So now it's kind of sticky. It's like your glue, okay? And then you're gonna take that and you're gonna smush it right on top of your little strawberry tip. And now you have these cute little Santa hats. See, these ones are plain. Here's your little coconut ones, which are my favorite, by the way, after all the taste testing. And then I have some that I dipped in the red and white little nonpareils. How cute are these? So then you can start thinking, oh, and by the way, you want them to set a little bit faster so that you can peel them off. Pop them in the fridge for a few minutes or put them in the freezer for just a couple seconds and they'll be ready to go and they'll pop right off with nothing left behind because our silicone's amazing. And you want to show that to your customers and your party people. But how cute would that be to put a few into a Fridge Smart and gift it to a neighbor or gift it to a friend, and then they have a Fridge Smart that they'll be able to use forever. Or layer a couple of cookies on the bottom and put some Santa hats on top. And of course, you could always melt your chocolate in our dating gift right now, which is our date and hold gift, which is when they have a $275 party or $200 party, they get this as their host gift. So you could show off the 1 cup vent and serve after you've melted in it. And I have another little candy that I came across while we were looking for this fun one, and doesn't really showcase any of our Tupperware product, but you could definitely put it in a Tupperware product. Look at this cute little Christmas tree. It's a Rolo wrapped in gold on the bottom, 2 little Reese's peanut butter miniatures, and a Hershey Kiss on top. And then I just tied some leftover red ribbon that I had and hot glued it on there. So this little hot glue dot right here, a hot glue dot and a hot glue there, and then a little on your bow. And everything's protected because it's wrapped up, so the hot glue is not going to hurt anything. And you really just need a tiny little dot. But how fun would this be if you put it inside a little modular meat spice shaker and gifted that to your neighbor for like less than $5? You have a cute little gift to give your neighbors. So just some fun little things. I started getting carried away with all this candy making over here.